Jai Gurudev children. In our previous class we were discussing about houses, right? Yes, house is a place where we live and it keeps us safe from any dangers. And the house in which we live is called our home. And we live with our families in our homes, right? Yes. And there are two types of houses. Kacha house and Pakka house. Houses made of mud, leaves, straw and sticks. And they are not strong. Such houses are called as Kacha house and they are also known as temporary houses. And the houses made of cement, bricks, wood and iron rods and they are strong. Such houses are called as Pakka houses and they are also known as permanent houses. Now, where do we find kacha houses more, children? Think, children. You all would have seen, right? Yes, in villages. We find kacha houses, that is huts in villages, right? Yes, and hut is the most common kacha house. Usually farmers build huts near their fields so that they can take shelter after they finish their work in the fields and also to store their things. Children, now can you guess what is this? Most of you have this at your home, right? What is this, children? Yes, tent, very good. And you all love spending your time playing with toys in your tents, right? Yes, tents are lightweight as they are made of canvas. Canvas is a type of cloth which is used to make tents. And we can also use bed sheets or saris to build tents at our homes. But why do we need tents, children? Only to play and have fun? No. Some people, like mountain climbers, soldiers, etc., they keep moving from one place to another and they need a place where they can take rest and protect themselves, right? What do? They carry tents with them so that they can take shelter and protect themselves from any danger. Now observe this, children. What is this, children? What is happening? Yes, you're right. A car is pulling a van, right? Now, why is it pulling? What is inside this van, children? Come on, let's see what is inside this van. Wow, children, did you see? Yes, this van contains bed, a small kitchen, and even washroom, etc. This just looks like our home, right? Yes, but why do we need such vans, children? Why? Why do we need? Let me tell you. Some people's job is to move from one place to another and they work in different places every day. Like, for example, actors. They visit different places to shoot, right? Yes, and they need such vans to get ready. And such vans are called as vanity vans. And these vanity vans are also called as caravan. And caravan is a type of house which moves on wheels. Now observe this, children. What is this? Yes, you are right. It's a houseboat. Very good. You all have seen houseboat, right? Yes. Now where do we find these houseboats, children? Yes, in Kerala and Kashmir. And these houseboats float on water. And tourists visit this place to stay in these houseboats. Now, what is this, children? Yes, it's a snow house, right? Or snow hut. And it is a type of house built using snow or ice. Such houses are called as igloos. Children, now imagine there is a heavy thunderstorm and we are living in one of these houses, that is tent, caravan and houseboats. Thunderstorm means it's a storm with lightning, thunder, and it may also have winds and often brings heavy rain. Now, what happens, children? Think what happens. Now, observe this, children. Observe, children. What happened? Yes, you're right. Thunderstorm has destroyed all these houses, right? Yes, but why, children? What is the reason behind it? Yes, you're right. It is because of the materials used to build these houses and they are not strong. Yes. Now, observe this, children. Now, what about this house? Children, is it damaged? No, right? But why? Yes, you're right. The materials used to build this house is different and they are strong. Yes, very good. Now observe this, children. Children, do both the houses look the same? Observe carefully, children. Do they look the same? No. Then what is the difference, children? Yes, materials used to build these houses is different. Okay, but only materials, children. No other differences? Observe carefully. Yes, you're right. The house in the first picture can move from one place to another, right? Yes, very good. And it is not fixed to one place, whereas the other house cannot move and it is fixed to one place. Yes, very good. So children, houses like tent, caravans, and houseboats can move from one place to another, right? And they are not fixed at one place and they get damaged easily, right, children? In times of flood, storm, etc. Yes, so such houses are called as temporary houses, and temporary houses are something that is not permanent. It lasts only for a shorter time, and temporary houses is also known as kacha houses. Very good. Whereas few houses that last for many years, such houses are called as Pakka houses, and they are also known as permanent houses. For example, bungalows, apartments, etc. And these houses are very strong and they are fixed to one place and they remain safe for many years. And they are built using bricks, cement, and iron rods. And they are very strong, right? Children, do you remember in our previous class we did an activity using cement and mud? Yes, and the ball which is made using mud breaks easily, whereas the other ball which is made using cement doesn't break and it stays strong, right? So the houses made of bricks, cement, wood, and iron rods are strong. So such houses are called as Pakka houses and they are also known as permanent houses. Children, now observe both the houses. Observe carefully, children. Do both the houses look the same? Observe, children. Do both the houses look the same? No. But why, children? What is the difference? Yes, you're right. It's the roof. Both the houses have different roofs, right? But why, children? The house in the first picture has flat roof, whereas the house in the second picture has sloping roof. Why, children? I will tell you. There are different types of roofs. Some people make flat roofs on their houses, some make sloping roofs. But the type of roof on a house usually depends on the climate of the place. Sloping roofs are built where it rains or snows a lot. It helps rainwater or snow to slide down easily. Whereas flat roofs are built where it does not rain or snow often. Children, did you see? There are different types of houses, right? Yes, some are permanent houses and some are temporary houses. Yes, but they are all built for the same purpose, to get shelter and to protect ourselves. Right, children? Yes. So in our next class, let's know more about houses. Stay home. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.